robots finish the paint job, but a man will assemble the engine. Each engine is built by one man, by hand. Putting together the 800 precision components is one of the most skilled jobs at the Ferrari factory. The engine mechanic fits the massive engine block with the pistons that will turn explosive energy into propulsive force. Then he puts the most critical piece of all into the engine block, the crankshaft. The remainder of the engine takes shape as the hours spin by. A full day after work began, the engine is finished. From fire and raw metal, this has been made.